Hi, I'm John Driver. I head up the fibre termination facility here at Canford. And one of the main issues we sometimes come across is dirt on a ferrule. Now, dirt on a ferrule can quite easily contaminate your whole system by simply connecting two connectors together. Dirt is passed from one ferrule to another, and you plug that in, and every time you plug it in, you pass the dirt on. Not only that, you can actually damage the end. If the dirt particles are large enough, you can scratch the end. One of the most indispensable tools we use is the Senko Smart Probe. This gives us the ability to check the end to see exactly what the problem is, whether it's dirt or whether it's damage, so we can quickly resolve any issues. Now, we are actually going to be giving away a Smart Probe at the IBC exhibition this year. So if you fancy your chances to win a probe or just see how useful they are and how they work, come along and see us at our usual location, which is Hall 11, stand DO1.